Patrick Comfort, Comfortvision, PCTV, Comfortvision, Surf City Classics, Patrick Comfort right here. Let's hear it for Patrick, videotaping every single week. We need to get him up to 1,000 followers, and you're going to be entered into a drawing. And in that drawing, we're going to offer some great prizes, right?
Detail products, swag, all kinds of good stuff.
All right, detail products, swag, all kinds of stuff. And I'm going to offer free entry to the show, raffle tickets, a t-shirt in one of those winnings. So we're going to team up, get this done. Let's get Patrick up to 1,000 followers.
We're going live. Thank you, Diane.
You're welcome. PCTV Comfortvision.
Thank you so much.
So welcome to Historic Garden Grove Main Street. We got Larry the Toy Man here. We have the snow cone pal here. We have the Dodger sportswear and all that stuff over here. Let me get my notes. We have Bluebeard Bling over here. If you've ever seen him, he's been on TV on the Dodger games. And he sells all the sports stuff over here, right?
Right.
Did I get it right?
Right.
All right.
All right.
Where is the blue-bearded guy? He left us. Okay. Then we have the tie-dye girl, Beth, down the street. Go check her out. We have Snow Pals behind me. Polly Sweets, Paloma right here behind her, or them. Comadre's Cookies, Rosie down the street. Pepper Flora down the street. Check her out. She donated this cute little thing up here. The skull. She makes these things. The Snow Pals donated this beautiful backpack for the raffle tonight. Check it out. So we have lots of little gifts up here. We have some gift cards. I got to put those out still, but come on up, get your raffle tickets. Check out the trophies that Rod Sexton makes every single week. And thank you for coming to Historic Garden Grove Main Street Car Show. Yes. Every Friday night from 4 to 8 p.m. live music. And let's hear it for the Chad Carrier Band. And let me get that right. The Chad Carrier and the Little Mess Band. How about that?
Woo! Beautiful MC.
Thank you.
Great job.
And we got t-shirts up here for sale too, so come on up and get your t-shirts. Thank you again, everyone. Thank you, PC Comfortvision TV. Thank you. Ready to win a trophy.
All right. Willie.
Are you guys
Time to buy new equipment
again. It'll be the third stereo I buy. Okay. So we're going to do the trophies. I want to thank everybody for coming out. If you're going to leave, if you're going to go to the restaurants, please parallel park your car, because we have to take the barriers down. So we're going to call the trophies now. Second place trophy, number 45, a 1954 Chevrolet with 350 engine, Mike. Is there Mr. Mike out there? 54 Chevrolet. Dun, 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 dun. Yell at us if you're coming, Mike. Number 86, 66 Ford Ranchero, Mike Curtis with a 302.
All right, Mike Curtis.
That is Curtis Equipment in orange. Mike Curtis.
Mike Curtis.
Ah, there he is, Mr. Mike Curtis. You guys might recognize him.
Recognize this man?
He's pretty famous.
Hey, Mike. Seen him around.
Curtis Speed Equipment. He was on the Boyd Coddington show. I don't know if you guys remember that.
He's designed most of the wheels.
Congratulations, Mike.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you for coming out. Curtis Speed Equipment right here in orange. Check him out.
Awesome.
Congratulations.
Did you get a picture?
Okay.
Is it? That's pretty.
I'm going to go back to the second place. 1954 Chevrolet pickup, red. Mike, it's a 350 engine. Number 45. No, he's down there. Yeah. Mike with the red Chevrolet pickup. All right, we'll come find you. Okay, best of show. Thank you, Rod Sexton, for making all the trophies every week and supporting me and what I do with the car show.
Yay.
I love you, honey. He's so excited.
You can tell he's like, yeah.
Best of show. Number 48. A 1955 Chevy 210 Post 388 stroker, Gary Holmes.
Nice.
You, Gary? Hi, nice to meet you. Congratulations. Best of show. Congratulations. Beautiful.
Thanks for coming down. Nice
Thank
car.
you.
Hey, who did this? That's yours, right?
Back to second place. 1954 red Chevrolet truck with a 350, Mike. All right, we'll find you. Anyway, we're going to get on with the raffle. Who's ready to win?